Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolina and today I want to show you how to make a neck scarf in a very simple and quick tutorial. Make a stitch line 1.5 centimeter away from the edge using any of the stitch lines that you have on your sewing machine. I'm gonna pick this one as it's super cute and adorable, and once I get to the end I make sure that I finish the stitch before I turn it to the other side to complete the stitch line and for the corners to look nicely. And this is how it's supposed to look like. It looks very nice and very neat. It's super easy. And then I'm gonna take a little scissors and cut it all the way around. Be careful not to cut the stitch line. And voila! This is how it's supposed to look like. The last step that we need to do is burn the edges. So use a candle to burn the edges of the fabric, but be careful not to burn the fabric. Be very careful with the fire, of course. And there it is, a very simple way to make a neck scarf. It's super adorable, super cute. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.